Welcome to my stock picking strategy comparison, September 12th, 2018. I'm sharing my stock journey as I compare some stock picking strategies. This isn't an endorsement to purchase any stocks that I've bought, nor is it an endorsement to purchase stocks in general. I'm focusing on picking stocks. Is it the right stock and at the right time? I want to identify stocks quickly and easily. Last week, I looked at stocks that I called ready to pop. I got these from the IBD 50. They had a 10-day moving average that recently crossed above the 25-day moving average. They had a high relative strength rating, a high composite rating, and an A or B accumulation distribution rating. These are all IBD proprietary ratings that I was using. This week, I'm going to look at stocks that have new high RS strength lines, and I'm getting that list from MarketSmith. Right now, I just have charts from when I'm purchasing stocks and how they've performed in the last week. But I'm hoping that in the future, I'm going to be able to have a few different groups of different selection criterias that I've used to select stocks that I can compare against one another to see if they're ready to pop or the stocks in the RS new high list have performed better. I sold two of my stocks that were in the ready to pop category, Momo and IDXX. Let's review how I'm annotating my charts. The dash green line is showing you the purchase price, and the dash red line is showing you the sales price. The orange boxes are showing you either the day that it sold or the day that I purchased it. And the solid yellow line is showing you 8% below the purchase price, which is my floor where I want to sell. If it reaches that point, I want to sell it. There's also some simple moving average lines. The one at the bottom is the red diagonal line, and that is showing you the 50-day simple moving average. The pink one in the middle there is showing the 25-day simple moving average, and the green one at the top is showing you the 10-day simple moving average. There's also a light blue that is between, hopefully between the green and the pink, and that is showing you the 20-day exponential moving average. And the exponential moving average gives more weight to more recent days, where the simple moving average is just how much the price changed in the average of those number of days. I also have at the very bottom the uh, darker blue line, and that is this S&P 500 line, what its performance line is. So this is a chart for IDXX, which I'm calling a panic sell. It dropped below its 50-day moving average, and it did have high volume that day, and I freaked out and sold this stock. I lost $350 or 3.6%. And I think it was a mistake to sell this stock. I think it should still be in the group, but I sold it, so I'm just going to live with that decision. I can always buy it back if I want to. Momo is one that hit the 8% sell rule. You don't see that solid yellow line because it is at the same point as that dash red line, so they sort of cancel each other out. But I did sell this one for an 8% loss, slightly under $800. I still have 3 holdings in my ready to pop group. Align is 1.3% below the purchase price. Netflix is slightly above at 0.35%, basically flat. WWE is 3% below my purchase price. So you can see none of these ready to pop stocks have popped, but hopefully they will next week. Here's a summary of my buys of stocks with new relative strength highs. CDNA is down 2% from the purchase price. It looks like it hit the sell trigger earlier today, but I didn't get an alert and it's now above, so I'm not selling. I will go back and check my alerts and see if it's set at that 20-day exponential moving average or if I need to set the price trigger. Star Surgical is down 2.5% from my purchase point. Copart is flat. Paycom is also flat. And Inogen is up 4%. I wanted to quickly show the MarketSmith report since that's where I was getting this relative strength rating. So I've highlighted where in yellow where you can see the RS rating. This is for CDNA, Care DX, I'm not sure how you say the name, and Star Surgical, Copart. So Copart has a 94 relative strength rating. So this isn't a list of stocks that have the highest relative strength rating. It's came from a list of stocks that have reached a new relative strength rating. Paycom with 97 and Inogen with a 98. Thanks for watching. Check in next week to see how these stocks perform, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get alerts when I post a new episode.